Welcome back to the show, guys. I am your guest host for this week, Denyque, and this is Kruddy, as you all know. Now, the CB Pan Chicken Finals, the CB Pan Chicken Championship Finals are still the talk of the town. Before we go look at the performances and everything on the main stage, Kruddy was there, so he has a lot to tell us.
All right, no, Denyque, it was a wonderful, wonderful event. Just the whole day to see all the turnout. First, it was kind of scanty, and then when you blink your eye 2 times, the whole place just cocked. Now, CB really sold downtown in a different way, you know what I mean? It's so totally different, and now all the performance, Octane, Tarrus, Riley, but my performer for the night was Kevin Downswell, because I don't get a lot of gospel in my life, I swear, and that was a powerful performance. Kevin Downswell, Kruddy, Denyque, check out this one, CB took it over. You are watching Pree Dis. My name is Kruddy. Now, you know Denyque is on the show, and right now it's time for the Pree Dis Top 10 chart of the week. Now, Denyque is sitting on this chart. Which spot is she? Check it out right now. Pree Dis.
I'm finally free when I see you with someone new to tell you the truth. Honestly, my heart don't skip a beat. I'm finally free when I new world order. You must treat it live. It's the new world order. My people, look at you. Tell nobody right it a timing. Girl, if you jiggle up, and your body clean, you're not dirty. Cock up is a 10, bend down for me stocky. Walkie, 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 money.
Man no fi sleep with man they get. Raw meat nothing ya me sure fi get. And you know them thing they wrong, so give me what me want bigger power. She said, hurry up, push it to the limit. Oh,
them say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger, sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. I and I start recruit, soldiers for sale.
Boog. Choreography, you have to, right? Yeah. You see all my viewers, you are watching Pree Dis now. Denyque came in, I love the vibe today. That's all we have for you until next week. You know, but before we send you off, Denyque, what have you been up to lately?
I've been in studio and I've been doing shows and I've just been pumping up promo. Make Me Believe You's doing really well, the video's doing really well, and Make Me Believe You remix with Contest is doing really well. So we're considering doing a video for that.
Yeah.
I've been in studio with Marcus, Daseka, Birch, Romish,
Soon,
you name
Kruddy
it.
and all them things. I want to song come out name Love Me Better, you know. Oh my God.
Okay, stop.
Listen to me. Until next week, I am your host, Kruddy. Denyque, remember, watch Pree Dis because you can win a date with this lovely lady right here. Or it could be a conspiracy and Kruddy I go win anyway. So until next week, go now, man.
Yes, I'm tired, but I'm still gonna love you tonight. Yes, you've been waiting, so I'm gonna love you all night. Yes, though I'm weary, I'm still gonna give you love, still gonna make you feel that this is more than real, because you're way too beautiful, beautiful to resist. You're more than wonderful, and every day is bliss. You're way too beautiful. How could I resist your love? Your love. I know that I'm late, but I know that you would wait on me. Left over time, broke a traffic lights, and need to see my lady. When your lips are touching mine, we're in space, we're stopping time. Only you can take me to a place that's so divine, because you're way too beautiful, beautiful to resist. You're more than wonderful, every day is bliss. You're way too beautiful. How could I resist your love? Your love. Never thought that I would be a man to need a woman, feel such passion. Yes, sometimes I can't understand what the hell you've done to me. Oh, I wanna go and tell the world what they're missing since they can't have you. Wanna tell them that love is not really love unless it's how you love.